Now that your Radix account is set up, the next step is adding your first device. Once enrolled, you can manage it centrally. Apps, configurations, remote monitoring, and much more. On your Android device, access the Viso app. To enroll the device, you can either scan the QR code with your phone or enroll it manually. In this video, we will demo the manual enrollment. Enter your account name. To find your account name, go to your managing device, the Radix device management platform. At the bottom, next to your avatar, you'll see your account name below your username. In this case, Viso Demo. If the menu is closed, click the Expand the Menu button to see the account name. You can also click your username to open the Profile menu. Next to Account Settings, you will find your account name. Back to your Manage device, enter your account name. You can also set a device name and tags for this device. Click Enroll Device and then approve the Manage Install Applications message. These permissions allow Radix to fully manage the device. The Viso app will then open in the device, showing you the info. In your management platform, head back to the Devices table. Your device should appear within 30 seconds. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page. Once it appears, click the device to open its detailed view. From there, you can view device information, manage installed apps, and perform any action you want. The device is now enrolled and connected to Radix. You can now view and access the device remotely. You can follow the same steps to enroll additional devices. You can review the next guide to verify that your device is set up correctly or continue exploring the platform's features.